morning, beautiful people. This is Botanic Tutor, yeah, mathematics, now vegetable, alright? Now, today we are going to be dealing with a conversion of number bases, okay? Alright, so conversion of one base to another. Now, let's start with example. We have our number one right there. It says convert 124 base 5 to base 2. So now you come down here, we have our solution. Now first and foremost, as is first, you first convert 124 to base 10. Now this is how it flows. It's right here. You can see we have our 124 to base 5 is equals to what? Now you count your 1 and 2 and 4. Then put your base 5. Then you come up here. Then you write, you start again as just from here, you count from the right to the left by counting 0, 1, 2. That's the method they use. You come up here again, you count from 0, 1, 2. Since we only have 3 numbers here, we'll stop at 2, okay? Now you come down here, then now you start looking at, you look at your 1, you bring down your 1 times the base 5, this is the base 5. Then you check what is on top of the 1, which is what? 2. Then you put the 2 on top of the what? Of the 5. That will give you what now? 5 raised to the power 2. Then close the bracket, then plus, open bracket again. You look at the next number, which is what? 2. You put your 2 here. 2 times, then the base, which is 5. Then you check what is on top of the 2. That will give you what? 1. Put your 5 raised to the power 1. Then you close bracket. Then plus, this is what? What's the next number? Now we have 4. 4 times, then our base is 5. This is our 5. Then what is on top of the 4, which is what? 0. That is your 5 raised to the power 0. Then close bracket. Then remember that note 5 raised to the power 0 is what? Is 1. Okay. Then you come down here, and then now from here now you say okay, 1 times 5 raised to the power 2 equals, that is 5 times 5. That gives you what now? 25. Then close bracket, plus, you put it down here. You come to here now, open a bracket. 2 times 5 raised to the power 1 is what? Is 5. Close the bracket. Then you bring your plus here, you put it down here. Plus, open your bracket again. Now you're 4. 4 times, remember, our 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 5 raised to the power 0 is equal to what? Is 1. So that gives you what now? 4 times 5 raised to the power 0 is what? Is 1. It's 1, yeah. Then now you had 1 times 25 is 25. Then plus 2 times 5 is 10. Yeah, plus, you put it down here. Then 4 times 1 is 4. Then you had all together, that'll give you what now? 39. Now, our 124 base 5 is equal to what? The answer, which is what? 39 base 10. So that's our 4 steps. Remember, the first steps is the 4 steps. Now, the second step, that is secondly, then you convert what now? The base 10 to base 2. Okay. Now, that is, you have to what now? Convert 39 base 10 to what now? To base 2. That's the question here. Now we have our what now? 39 base 10 to base 2. That was equals to what? You put your 39 and your 2 right here, okay? Now you write 39 here and 2 here. Now 2 in 3, you divide in units so you don't make mistakes, okay? 2 in 3 is 1. What's the remainder? Remainder 1. 2, then the 1, now you had the 1 with the 9, give you what now? 19. Because it's in front. Add it in front of the 9, that'll give you 19. Then 2 in 19 is what? Is 9. The remainder what? 1. There's no other number anymore, so you put the remainder here. That is 2 in 39 is what? Is 19 times. Then remainder what? 1. Then put your 2 again. 2 in 1 is impossible. In 19 give you 9. The remainder what? 1. Put your 2 again. 2 in 9, 3 times. The remainder what? 1. Put your 2 again. 2 in 3, 1. The remainder what? 1. Put your 2 again. Can our 2 go in 1 now? No. So the method, you put your 0 here. The remainder, you bring this 1 right there and put it here. Then you come down here and then it says 39 base 10 is equals to what? Remember, you count from your word from the down to the top, like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we have our what now? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then base 2. Can you see that is 124 base 5 is equals to what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2. And that is your answer. You can see how easy it is. So please, if you have any questions right here to ask, please just you can drop down your comment here and ask your questions. It's free, okay? And remember, your mind is the engine room of your life, okay? So nothing is impossible when it comes to learning, all right? For as long you are willing and ready to learn. And remember that learning is free, okay? So please do have a wonderful day and study, all right? So take care.